In this video, Ryan Braun is smashing one of the many home runs he has hit in his career.
But how can you hit the ball so hard, Ryan?
Well, let me explain using the concept commonly known as inertia.
What is inertia, Ryan?
Well, Pauline, inertia, in simple terms, is an object's tendency to remain in whatever state of motion it is in unless a force acts upon an object, whether it be standing still or moving in a constant velocity.
So how does that relate to Ryan Braun hitting the ball?
For sake of argument, let's forget about air resistance and gravity for a second. After the ball leaves the pitcher's hand, by the law of inertia, the ball will keep moving the way it is moving. In this instance, it will be moving quickly forward in a straight line, unless another force acts upon it. When Ryan Braun uses his bat to hit the ball, it causes the ball to change its state of motion depending on how hard and in what direction he hits it.
Oh, I think I get it. But then why doesn't the ball change the bat's or Ryan Braun's state of motion?
Well, actually, it does, but very slightly. Inertia is measured by mass. The bat is connected to Braun, and he is connected to the earth with friction. In fact, without friction, the ball would in fact knock Ryan Braun backwards a little bit. This collectively makes Ryan Braun's mass much greater than the ball's mass, giving him a much greater amount of inertia. This sizable difference of inertia gives Ryan Braun and his bat a much greater tendency to remain in their current state of motion.
Oh, I see. So if the ball had a way greater mass, and if the ball applied a greater force, it would knock him out of the park.
Well, that's a little morbid, but yes, in theory, that is correct.
This video displays an example of acceleration due to gravity and weight.
The ball is hit very hard, but why doesn't it keep going at the same speed in a straight line forever? I don't see any force acting on it.
Well, first you need to understand that the weight of something is equal to the product of its mass and acceleration. The acceleration comes from the force of gravity, which is negative 9.81 meters per second squared. Since there is a constant negative acceleration on the ball will always be pulled down. The greater the mass, the greater the weight.
And that was our chapter challenge. Thanks for watching.